Hey guys, this is your friend dear Archie. I actually got a request from one of my subscribers telling me, Archie, can you do a video on how you do your eyeliners? So I thought let me make a video out of it. So shall we start?
Magnetic force that is pulling me down. Yeah, I'm trying to balance me out. My feet can't touch the ground. Yeah, I'm flying.
I have not applied any eyeliner so far. I have just done a little bit of my makeup. This is my kit. This is my eyeliner. It's LAKME Absolute Shine Line. So I'm using Benefit Kajal pencil right now. It's BADGAL Benefit eye pencil. You can use any eye pencil, by the way. Okay, and this is what we call tight lining, where you are using this in the waterline. My eyes are looking a lot more fuller. Like hole in your waterline, you can darken it as much as you want. That is always the first step. Many girls just forget this first step. So I'm doing it on the right side as well. Yes, so initially your tight lining is done. How I do is I will start from end. This is one type how you do your eyeliners. Let me start. I'll start from the midsection. See, I'm taking an eyeliner and I'm starting from the beginning. Just give one line of stroke. One line of stroke. That's enough. And the best thing about my LAKME Absolute Shine Line is this is a very thin eyeliner. So first time it will give you a very thin line of eyeliner, just like right now you can see. If you want to make it more thick, you can adjust the thickness, because initially it will be very thin line. So if you want a thin line, just one stroke, one line of eyeliner and you are done. But if you want more, like you're going for parties, want to show any extra, dimensions to your eyes, yeah, you can go for thick eyeliner, like you can double it, like how we do our winged eyeliners. So you can see it's the most simple go-to eyeliner, I will say. And now I will make it a winged eyeliner, which we girls, by the way, absolutely love. So I'll show you how you can do it as a winged eyeliner now. Okay, for a winged eyeliner, I will say firstly, just see where your eyebrow ends. So my eyebrow ends here, and just imagine an imaginary line from end of my eyes till the end portion of my eyebrow. Okay, so you can see it's like this. So like some people use a tape, they will do like this, but since I am habitual of applying my eyeliners on day-to-day basis, I can directly start applying it. But if in case you are a beginner and you are still afraid that I may spoil my eyeliners, you can use something like tape. You can attach a tape and then you can start drawing it, and then you can remove your tape once it is done. I'll show you how you can do it. So winged eyeliner, since I know my eyebrow end reaches here, I have to do lining from here till there. Okay, so it goes like this. Can you see it? From the end to the beginning. already draw my winged eyeliner. If in case you ruin anything, your wet wipes, you can always choose to remove it. See, like extras, I'm removing right now. I am using my kohl pencil also to make a winged eyeliner. It's not important that you only need your eyeliners that you can draw eyeliner on your, eyes. You can use your kajal pencil also. So I'm just fixing it with a kajal pencil with liner. It's not a liquid eyeliner, so I can fix it more easily. It's more handy actually. You can fill all the gaps using your kajal pencil. You can increase the thickness as much as you want it. I'm done with my eyeliner. Using only your normal eyelashes, just curl it. I will tell you to curl it before you start your eyeliner tricks, but in case you're only using your normal eyelashes, just curl it just like I did, and then use your mascara. Use any volumizing mascara and just do it. I have already done it. I'm just showing you. I'm showing this in front of you to see how you do it. I think without applying fake eyelashes also, your eyeliner, your eyes look super cool. But if you still want to draw extra attention to the eyes, you can use your fake eyelashes, especially in terms of when you're going for any marriages or when you are attending any functions. I will use my fake eyelashes right now. So I have two fake eyelashes. One is more of a dramatic effect. I have this from SEPHORA, which gives me more of natural eyelashes look. Let me apply fake eyelashes. I got a glue with it. You can have your magnetic eyelashes also. I didn't get my magnetic eyelashes here in India, so I'm right now using these normal eyelashes. The glue, you stick this glue into your eyelashes like I did. You have to wait for maybe 20 seconds so that the glue can stick to your fake eyelashes. This was the glue. Okay, I had white glue. You can have transparent glue, or sometimes you will have your black colored glue as well, which will come with the fake eyelashes. So I think it's ready. I'll just take it, and you can use your tweezer also, but I'm used to apply it using my hands, so I will do it like this. Close to your lash line, you can stick it. You can see it's already sticked. This eyelash gives a more of a dramatic effect. I like it. Anyway, I love drama. I'm a drama queen, baby. Drama queen. Right here. Let's hear the one more. Yeah. These are my dramatic eyelashes, by the way. So you can apply your fake eyelashes just like this, or you can just go on with your normal eyelashes also. Doesn't make much difference. It all depends if you're going for any parties or anything extra. Yeah, you can go on and apply your fake eyelashes and just remove it like this. And I'm moving my eyelashes. Ouch. So these are my normal eyelashes, as you can see. Nothing too dramatic. How you will do. Take it out. Sometimes it will not come out. Like, these are my new eyelashes, and I got it from SEPHORA. Extremely glued. Okay. Just waiting for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. That's enough. And now I think it's ready. We should apply it. done. Okay, so this is the second part, and I'm using my glue to do the same with the second part. You can see. Wait for 5 seconds. I think it's ready. I'm using my hands, but you can always use a tweezer if you think that you cannot, do it with your hands. I find it easy when I do it with my hands. Maybe I'm used to it. Some people do it with a tweezer. When I do it with a tweezer, I just cannot do it properly, so I use my hands to stick it close to your eyelashes. This is bigger than my normal eyelid size. You can cut it from the corners, those eyelashes. You don't cut too much, because 2 or 3 of my eyelashes got spoiled just because I cut them too short. So yeah, this time it got applied properly. Still okay. Still better than the previous. Okay, now I'm covering this white glue with either eyeliner. You can use your eyeliners or you can use your gel liners like your kohl pencils. Anything is fine, whichever works. I will use again my eyeliner to just cover this mess up, because it's all white glue. It will appear. So I will try to just cover it up, and here also small coverage is needed. So I think I'm good to go now. You clearly see I applied my eyelashes, I applied my eyeliner in front of you. Absolute Shine Line eyeliner or eye pencil benefit. Okay, it's written here, if you are able to see. LAKME Iconic Curling Mascara. My favorite is actually LAKME Kohl Ultimate Kajal. It gives me very black, jet black look, which I really like it. So, packed up. That's it for the day, girls. Let me know, did you find it useful? And I told you, if in case you ruined your makeup, if in case you ruined your eyeliner, do not fret, do not worry. We still have our wet wipes with us, to clear the mess in case you have done it just like me, because it's very normal. Sometimes you get after 2-3 attempts. Don't worry. Keep your wet wipes handy with you in case you feel like you are gonna screw your makeup up. And even while washing your makeup, I will prefer wet wipes instead of any makeup removing kit. If you like it, keep doing it. So that was my video, guys, on eyeliner skills. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Just let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.